Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, where today we will explore the village of Burgau. Burgau, Algarve, Portugal. August 29, 2023. Burgau is one of the smallest and most unknown coastal villages in the Algarve. It consists of small houses, many are blue and white, one on top of the other. On the seafront, with a dream beach, small, but incredible, where everyone finds their peace in the morning and throughout the day. The sloping streets, alleys and stairs that wind here and there, the flower-filled corners, and the towering views of the sea give it a particular charm. The village has its origins in an old tuna fishing warehouse that existed in the 16th century, and is located just 10 kilometers from Lagos and an hour's drive from Faro Airport. The cool, transparent waters and the golden sand of the beach, surrounded by cliffs that shelter us from the wind, attract and captivate those who want to enjoy a few relaxing days during the bathing season. In 2010, Burgau was voted by Lonely Planet readers as the most picturesque seaside village in Europe. The beach has good support infrastructure. The average sea water temperature in summer is normally between 19 and 21 degrees Celsius. The small fishing village of Burgau remained largely unknown to the tourism industry until relatively recently, meaning it has largely escaped the unsympathetic and uniform development that has plagued much of the coastal areas. Burgau preserves its authenticity, offering a peaceful escape from the Algarve's busiest areas. It is a perfect place to enjoy memorable moments and unforgettable experiences. If you like the video, put a like and subscribe. It's very important to help the channel grow. Thanks for watching.